Oh, he was so close.
Come on, Bob.
That guy
He's over here.
was weird.
He was kind of creepy.
He's just way into the fish and stuff.
Oh, next one. It says later.
He's getting close over there. I gotta stand up. Sorry.
Yep. And that one.
Bob, go get him.
Bob. I want Bob to get him so he can get a first winner.
I feel like Bob's like sneak attack.
And I see his face like. Look, I can see his face like under.
Oh, just missed Bob.
Bob always misses because he's always.
Yeah.
Why is he so fast?
The fish are very fast, buddy. Look at the fish is like, this is my only way out.
Killing myself with the filter.
He's gonna get killed in there.
Yeah, he'll get squished.
Wait till he will get squished in there.
I can't see Bob.
Jim, this side. You got him.
I got him.
No, not yet.
Aw, fish, you might as well let him get you.
Did he eat him yet?
Oh, babe, I got it. I got it.
He's got it. Do you have that on tape?
Yeah, I do. Attaboy, Bob. Yeah.
That is nuts.
Attaboy, Bobby.
You have a crazy turtle.
I gotta show Carrie and Thomas this
I
tonight.
knew you were gonna.
That's dead, buddy.
I should put this on.
Facebook.
That's
It's too long, you'd have to
that's
cut it.
dead now. Wait.
Yeah.
That was his dinner.
Poor fish.
Look
Look at, he's so fat, he's looking around for more.
There is more. Come on,
Where?
Bob, over there. Go get it.
Where is it?
Nice job, Bob.